Hello and welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will explain you one of a feature of our trigger action for the WhatsApp chatbot. That is the chatbot commands. So let's get started. So simply you can access this from the WhatsApp bot settings, triggers, and the fourth option that you get is the chatbot commands. From here, you can set a particular command that your customer can easily access. Let's say uh, restart. Okay, I can set a word as restart, and I can provide a short description on this, how why I want to use this. So let's say I gave the instructions as description. You can say use this to restart the chat, and from here action to be triggered, I can set what I want. I can trigger a flow, I can restart the chat, I can initiate a live chat, I can unsubscribe the user. This is the options that I can get. If I click on the flow option, I also get an option to choose the flow. So accordingly, I can set the particular flow that I want to trigger based on my chat command. Alright, so how the user can use it? User simply have to type slash while interacting with the WhatsApp bot. You can simply type this slash and they will be able to see all the commands options that are available. So they will simply type slash with the word, let's say it's live chat, and they will press enter. So automatically, as per the configuration here, the uh, the response will be going to come as per the configuration here. So if it is live chat will initiate. If it is restart, the flow will restart. If it is a flow, then the particular flow that we have configured here, that will be initiated. So this is how you can use the chatbot command from this particular section. If you have any query or any doubt related to this, please reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you so much for choosing BotPenguin. Bye.